On this episode, I'm going to discuss the best time to grow your beard. Let's get right into it. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to The Truth Lives Here. On this episode, this is a time where I want to share with you guys, when is the time, the best time to grow your beard? I've gotten this question quite often, and I want to address this. There's no better time than now. It is the third day of spring where everything is blossoming. You start hearing the birds, you start seeing the bees. For some people, they may, see a little bit more pollen. But nonetheless, the time is now. The research shows how your beard, your facial hair grows more in spring and in the summertime. And one of the reasons why is that we have a hair growth cycle. And our hair growth cycle, there's three phases. There's anagen, catagen, and telogen. Anagen phase is the growth phase. The catagen phase is the bridge from anagen into your telogen phase, which lasts for several weeks. And the telogen phase is the resting phase, is where your beard begins to shed. Now, during the spring and into the summer, our beard hairs tend to be in this anagen phase, in the growth phase. Now, some say we have the highest amount of testosterone being produced in our body during spring and during summer. I've come to think that we are all synced with Earth. We're synced with the seasons. So just like when there's springtime and the flowers blossom and you hear the birds and you see the bees and you see the trees begin to flourish and the leaves, I believe our body goes through that same cycle where our hair, our beard hair, our facial hair begins to grow. In the wintertime, you see that's more of like a death season where things are not growing, the leaves have fallen, the trees are bare, and we tend to experience the same thing when it comes to our facial hair, when it comes to our beard hair. It gets dry, it starts to break off. We don't feel like it's growing the way that it should be growing. I'm just under the belief that we are synced to the earth. Well, I hope that helps you on your journey. Keep thriving, keep going. Don't forget to watch our next episode. And don't forget to watch our previous episode. We have tons of information that's going to help you on your journey. This is your boy B. As always, I'm out.